All right, you guys, here's room 4, all done up. 4 relay boards, 3 Agrotech relay boards, CO2, 0 through 10 volt light control, and forgot. Yeah, the hub. Sorry, it's been a long day. But yeah, this room's all done. This is room 4. And then we got to do those big rooms tomorrow, huh? Are these even ready for us, Mikey?
They're ready.
Yeah?
I think they're ready. So.
Oh, they still got to do the floor in here.
This one for sure, we can mount the stuff for.
Holy shit. Oh yeah, because this one has a bunch of dehues.
Oh.
This room gets a bunch of extra relays.
All right.
Yeah. This is all of our dehue drops right here. Damn, it barely fit in that conduit, bro. This is veg, right? Or no, this is big. This is big flower, huh?
Big flower.
Yeah, there's 2 big flower rooms. It's divided in half in the middle over there. Do you know how many lights this one is? Like
150.
150-ish? Okay. So these are the 2 identical big flower rooms. And then we got 4 identical flower rooms that we hooked up today. I'll show you inside. And then down there at the end, that's gonna be veg, huh? Yeah. Here's flower 3. All done up and sexy. Ooh, baby. Same setup on all these rooms. And then we got sensor node back there. 3 more Agrotech boards, a CO2 board, and then a sensor node on that side. It's that was room 3. And then here's room 2. Again, identical setup. Same thing back there. And then room 1 was the first room we knocked out today. It took a little bit longer than the rest just because we needed to figure out exactly how we were going to mount everything. Got all our extra stuff here to finish up the install tomorrow. Nice and clean. So we'll continue the install tomorrow with the rest of the rooms. And then we'll start getting everything wired together. And all of these rooms got wireless access points added today up in the center of the room. So they'll have good connectivity. Tomorrow we come back and we'll be installing more relay boards, more sensor nodes, more Agrotech. Let's get it, baby. Big shout out to satelliteog.